ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ કે જે તમને યુનિટ 1 to 10 માંથી 4 વિધાન આપવામાં આવે તેને આપણે ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ એવું દર્શાવવાનું હોય છે. હવે આનો પણ આપણે અભ્યાસ કરવો જોઈએ કારણ કે એના માર્ક છે 4. એ માર્ક પણ જો કદાચ આપણે રમતમાં કાઢી નાખીએ તો માર્ક ગુમાવવાનો વખત આવે. તો આપણે સિરિયસલી એમાં આપણે અભ્યાસ કરવાનો છે, જોવાનું છે. ઘણીવાર શબ્દ ફેર કરી નાખવામાં આવે, ઘણીવાર આપેલું જ વિધાન આપણને ટેસ્ટ કરવામાં આવે આપણું નોલેજ કે અરે તમે ટ્રુ ને ફોલ્સ એમ જ ખરું અને ખોટું કરી દો છો કે અભ્યાસ કરીને કરો છો કે જેથી કરીને તમારા માર્ક આવે. આ એવો પ્રશ્ન છે કે જેમાંથી તમે માર્ક 100% ગુમાવો જ છો કારણ કે તમે આને ગંભીરતાથી લેતા નથી અને ન લઈએ એટલે આસાનીથી માર્ક જતા રહે છે. આપણને આમાં ફક્ત વિચારીને ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ લખવાનું હોય છે. તો એને લખતી વખતે પણ ધ્યાન રાખવું કે આપણે ફક્ત પ્રશ્નનો ઉત્તર લખીને એને ખરું ખોટું બતાવી દેવાનું નથી. વિધાન લખવાનું અને વિધાન પછી ધીસ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ઇઝ ટ્રુ અથવા ધીસ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ઇઝ ફોલ્સ એવું આપણે લખવું જરૂરી છે. અને દરેક વ્યક્તિએ અક્ષરો ખૂબ વ્યવસ્થિત રાખવા, વારે તમારે શબ્દોને ઉપર ઓવરરાઇટિંગ ન કરવું, છેકછાક ન કરવું અને આપણે આ રીતે સહેલાઈથી જેમાંથી માર્ક મળતા હોય એવા માર્કને જવા ન દેવા, યોગ્ય રીતે તૈયારી કરવી. યુનિટને સમજાવવું. તો ચાલો હું શરૂ કરું છું તમને આ ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ માટેની આપણી પ્રેક્ટિસ. થેન્ક યુ. યુનિટ 1 અગેન્સ્ટ સ્પોર્ટ્સ. નંબર 1, the government funded 21 lakh rupees to build the railway station. આ વિધાન ખોટું છે. નંબર 2, majority of the people living in Tajnagar are businessmen. businessmen નહીં, farmers. વિધાન ખોટું. નંબર 3, the railway line passed through the Tajnagar village. True. The roof of the highest building is chosen to install panels and battery. highest building નહીં, sturdy brick wall. એટલે આ વિધાન ખોટું. MGP provides 2 LED light and mobile charging point to all paying household. True. The panels are installed in northerly direction to capture as much sunlight as possible. northerly નહીં, southerly direction. આ વિધાન ખોટું. Out of 1000 members of the library, 300 are women. હા, આ વિધાન સાચું. 1/3 of it. The library arranged seminar to solve the problems of women. ખરું. સેમિનાર એટલે કે વર્કશોપ. નંબર 9, separate reading room for women was set up to give them safe space. Right. Number 10, through reading women would become more educated. more educated નહીં, more strong. આ વિધાન ખોટું. Unit 2, પ્રેમ ચોપરા wanted to purchase a computer. કમ્પ્યુટર નહીં, રોબોટ. વિધાન ખોટું. The robot name was Ram Singh 070. True. The robot will never obey his master. never નહીં, always, ever. આ વિધાન ખોટું. The robot will not harm humans. સાચું. પ્રેમ ચોપરા used a robot for stealing things. હા, સાચું. પ્રેમ ચોપરા was arrested as he was caught stealing. ચોરી કરતાં પકડાઈ ગયો તેથી એની ધરપકડ થઈ? ના, એ ઓનર હતો એટલે એની ધરપકડ થઈ. વિધાન ખોટું. All the stolen articles were recovered from પ્રેમ ચોપરા. એક પણ આર્ટિકલ મળ્યો ન હતો, નોટ રિકવર. આ વિધાન ખોટું. પ્રેમ ચોપરા થ્રેટન ટુ ડિફ્યુઝ રોબોટ. હા, સાચું. રામ સિંહ 070 choose to break apart rather than tell a lie. સાચું. Unit 3, number 1, Arun Krishnamurthy started EFI when he was 17 years old. હા, સાચું. Arun and his friend cleaned the sea near his house. sea નહીં, lake. વિધાન ખોટું. Arun's teacher taught him humility. True. Arun Krishnamurthy called himself an activist. False. Activist નહીં પણ environmentalist. Arun Krishnamurthy quit his job at Google. True. Number 4, the Lord was into 6 days of overtime. True. The angel did not want to know the details of the creation. False. He wanted to know. A mother's parts should be movable and replaceable. True. A mother's kiss can cure everything. True. The hands of the mother were problem for our Lord. False. Hands, nine eyes. The Lord wanted to give 3 pairs of eyes to mother. True. A mother cannot heal herself when she is sick. False. Mother can heal herself. Cannot name. The angel thought that the model of a mother was tough. Tough name. Angel thought it was too soft. Avidan khotu. The tear was a miracle. Yes, this sentence is true. Unit 5. Playing with fire. The science of firework is called pyrotechnic. True. The household mace is a special pyrotechnic device. True. Black box is the basic material used in fireworks. Black box nahi black powder. A sentence false. Indians are the pioneer of pyrotechnic. Indians nahi Chinese are pioneer. Avidan khotu. Roger Bacon, an English monk, revealed the formula for black powder. True. The basic formula for black powder keep on changing. Black powder ની ફોર્મ્યુલા વારે વારે બદલાયા કરે છે. Keep on changing નહીં, keeps no changing. False. Incandescence light is produced when a substance is heated so much that it begins to glow. True. In India, fireworks was imported from Japan. Japan નહીં China. Avidan khotu. And fireworks are manufactured in Shivakasi. True. Unit 6. I love you teacher. Helen Keller was mute and deaf. Mute nahi blind. Deaf and blind. False. Number 2. Miss Sullivan was a teacher for the deaf and blind. True. The first word that Helen learned was water. Water nahi doll. Avidan khotu. Miss Sullivan satisfied Helen's curiosity. Yes, true. The second stage of learning was based on the finger movement, based on touch movement. False. At the Radcliffe College, lectures were spelled into Helen's palms. True. Helen Keller could not complete graduation. False. Could not name. She could complete. Number 8. Miss Sullivan sacrificed her eyes for Helen. True. Unit 7. Shukracharya was a king. Not king. He was a teacher. False or a saint. Brihaspati was the chief advisor of Devas. True. Kach was Brihaspati's son. True. Devyani was Brihaspati's daughter. False. Brihaspati ne Shukracharya. When the Asurs killed Kach the first time, they cut his body into pieces and gave them to the wall. True. When the Asur killed the Kach second time, they threw his body into sea. True. When the Asurs killed Kach the third time, they mixed the ashes with the divine wine that Shukracharya drank. True. Shukracharya could not bring Kach back to life the third time. False. Kach refused to marry Devyani because she was proud of her beauty. False. Kach cursed Devyani. False. Kach nahi but Devyani. Unit 8. Our feather friend Devangi is a student of biology. False. Biology nahi zoology. The female bird is dull in comparison with the male. True. The female bird is dull so that it can hide itself from the hunters. True. The tailor bird stitches its nest with grass and twigs. False. With green leaves and fibers. The Indian grey hornbill beak has an extra portion like a horn. True. The tailor bird is known as sugri in Gujarati. Tailor nahi weaver bird. False. The male weaver bird builds a nest. True. The vultures are called scavenger. True. A vulture's beak is designed to tear flesh. True. The migratory bird take the help of the sun to find their way. True. Unit 9. Teen about teens. Special activity demands special food habits. True. Bharat remembers everything that he studies. False. Parents should ensure a balance between study and play hours of children. True. Number 4, games and music are essential for physical and mental health. True. Mrs. Mehta's daughter shares everything with her. False. Sharing binds a family together. True. There is no relation between the food we eat and the brain activity. False. The students should eat light and easy to digest food. True. Tune up refers to preparing your mind and body for the task. True. Unit 10. Blandford was to recognize his friend by a white rose. White rose nahi red rose. False. Minal was 30 years old. True. Blandford had read the book of human baggage nahi bondage. False. Blandford and Minal wrote to each other for 13 months. True. Blandford believed that he loved Minal and she loved him. True. Minal gave her photograph to Blandford. False. The woman with the red rose was young. False. Blandford felt a strong urge to follow the young girl. True.